Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install Netdata on Fedora 34. Netdata is a real-time health, performance, and utilization monitoring app for Unix-like systems, including Linux, FreeBSD, and macOS. It collects various metrics and visualizes them, and enables monitoring of system activities. Many plugins are available for monitoring current system status, running applications and services such as MySQL, MariaDB database servers. Now I'm going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install Netdata by using the following command. Press enter to continue. After installation, I'm going to start Netdata service. Use this following command. And then I'm going to enable Netdata service. And then I'm going to check the Netdata status. Status is active. And then I'm going to add the Netdata port number by using the firewall command. Use this following command. And then I'm going to reload the firewall. Use this following command. Now I'm going to browser. Here you can search your IP address with Netdata port number. See here, this is Netdata dashboard page. The process of installation Netdata on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.